So this is a Zebronics headphone you can say here. I seen best headphone at the lowest budget at the under $10 in India. But the service is too much bad of Zebronics because when I have issues with the Zebronics company, I contacted to them, but they call me their location only and they did not respond properly to me. So I directly asked refund to Amazon, so they cooperate with me and give successfully refund from the company and take back this Zebronics old one and give me a new one. This is a good one. The new one is a little bit good, and but the main problem is when heat summer in summer it will cause too much heat because of this cushion. So please take care of this only. Uh, Otherwise, this is a good headphone for normal budget and under $10. This is a cover of that.